And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. And this application here allows you to generate tattoos using AI. So at the top here is pretty much where you enter your prompt or describe the type of tattoo that you want to generate. As you can see you down here as well, if you may want to copy a tattoo style that you see online, you can pretty much download the image and pretty much upload it here. So all you have to do is tap on this option here with us, allow the gallery option. You just tap on a photo gallery and you're able to search for that image and upload it here, and go ahead and select your style, and it will pretty much copy that tattoo that you have selected. As well, if you don't have anything in mind, you can use the surprise me option at the top here. Just tap on surprise me, and if this doesn't suit you, you can as well go ahead and top it as much as you want until you find something that you may need to use. So that's really pretty much it for that. And down here now you have the styles that you may want to select. The skins here, you have different styles as to how the tattoo may turn out. Here you can tap on the see all option to see all the available styles which you can use. So do keep in mind the ones with the crown icon, you're going to need a subscription to use those styles. So do keep that in mind. So the only ones I'll be able to use for free are these two here, minimalist, and this one here. So you can pretty much tap on that option, any one of these free options, or if you don't want to use any style, you can just tap on no style here and you're pretty much good to go. So once you've done all that, you can pretty much go ahead and tap on create. Do keep in mind you may need a required amount of credits, so keep that in mind as well. So once you tap on generate, as you can see here, it will pretty much start generating. So it only takes 1 credit to generate your tattoos. So give it a view. So down here, meanwhile that's generating, down here you have other AI tattoos inspiration where you can pretty much copy. Here you have the, let's say for example, this one here, you can pretty much see the prompt that they have used. And if you do want to copy this one here, all you have to do is tap on use this prompt, and it will pretty much copy the prompt that you have used to generate that tattoo or that tattoo picture here. So very easy application to use. So at the top here, pretty much can see the process of the image being generated. So once it's finished, you should be able to see it in the library section. As you can see here, it's still loading. It will take a while. So the subscription for this year are the credits. So it does take one credits to generate your tattoo. So do keep in mind. So you can tap on the star icon at the top here or the crown icon. Once you do tap on any one of these, it pretty much show you a subscription as it relates to this application. But what we need to see is the star section. But I'm not sure why it doesn't want to tap on that. But so I'm not sure why it doesn't show how much credits you'll be getting as it relates to the subscription. So if I do tap on the crown icon, it doesn't show how much credits you'll be getting once you purchase your subscription. And if I do tap on the other option, it doesn't show how much credits I'll pretty much be getting, or even see if I can purchase credits separately. So I'm not sure about that. So if you guys want to try the application, just please let me know if they do, how much credits they do give you, so I can pin it in the comment section for the other people that can see as well. So as you can see here, everything that we're getting, all the styles, all the unlimited generation, and I forgot to mention, I didn't see the unlimited generation. So it does mean you get unlimited generation for a period of time based on the subscription and the purchase. Sorry about that, guys. I literally did not see it. So it does mean that you don't need the credits. So I'm not sure how accurate that is, but that's pretty much what it's saying. So here are the options. So you won't need any credits to generate your tattoos, and as well the weekly subscriptions for a week. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all in this video, please comment below and let me know. And I forgot to mention the image has finished generated, and I can tap on the library option and I'll be able to see this image that's been generated. As you can see here, this is pretty much the image being generated. So if I do want to see multiple images or generated images at a time based on one prompt that I've entered, you can pretty much tap on it or pretty much get the Pro subscription and be able to see up to 4 images. So very good application. Not gonna lie, it's a very decent application. So let me know in the comments about what your thoughts, and if you do get your subscription, how much, not how much credits, but you're getting all of the credits. Anyways, guys, I'm out.